What's up, everybody? Today we have a couple of special guests coming. Well, three. My dad, and then two other assholes are coming by. um, but anyways, I'm gonna start tearing apart the head, take the heads off this, the valley cover there, and then when my dad gets here, we're gonna start putting his pistons and stuff, putting his rings on his pistons, putting them in. We're gonna also put a piston in first and check for clearances, make sure we don't have to clearance any of the block for the new rods that are in. We shouldn't have to because it's just a 350, but last time we had to clearance for the crank, so I don't know. But they're not Chinese rods; they're Eagle rods, so they hopefully they're H-beam, so hopefully they'll clear and we won't have to clearance any of the block. Sorry about the glare. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start on this. The guys are on their way. My dad is gonna be here eventually. Not sure exactly what time. But that's what we have in store for you today. We'll see. Joe just got his Mustang out of paint. It was down at Mount Angel Auto Body with Steve painting what he had repaired on it. So I'll show you guys that. He also got some Cobra replica wheels on it, and so we'll show you that. And then Bekr just picked up an 06 TBSS Trailblazer SS with a 6-liter, and it's bone stock, but I'm trying to talk him into putting some long tubes and exhaust on it at least. It's his man van, so we'll see what I can talk him into. But anyways, I'm going to get at this. You guys will see it all in the feed. Alright, so I got the little valley cover off here. Pull you down. Show you, it's pretty gunky and black in here. Pretty nasty. I don't know if you can see the timing chain in there, but it's pretty gunky and nasty too. I believe it had right around 175,000 miles on it, so it definitely needs a rebuild, which it's getting, obviously. I'm going to take off the front accessories, and then the two special guests that are on their way. Well, I guess I already gave that away. Bekr and Joe are on their way, and Joe got mad at me because he wants me to wait for him to take the heads off. So I'll wait for him to take the heads off just to keep him happy. So for now, I'm gonna take off the front accessories until they get here, and then we'll take off the heads and look down and see what the cylinder walls look like and all that fun stuff. Found out it still has oil in it too, which I guess is a good thing. It's been sitting forever, so at least it's been sitting with oil in it. So that's a plus. And it does rotate. It wasn't seized or anything. It's just been sitting, and so it's dirty and nasty and all that fun stuff. Okay, so I got all the front accessories off, except for the hard lock balancer. I've got to get the correct puller for that. I only have it for the old school style. Got the valley cover off. Valve covers have been off since last video when my dad was over. Before I take off the rocker arm shafts and the rocker arms, I'm going to label them with paint pen, driver and passenger, just so I know for myself. As soon as I get the paint coming out of the pen. There it comes. Not that it's going to stay on because I got to take them apart and clean them, but like riding on oil. So I'm going to pull those off. I already broke them loose, by the way. I didn't. Bush rods. I'm not reusing any of these. I don't really care. I'll keep them around just in case. And there we go. Alright. And now I gotta wait to take the heads off until Joe gets here, because he wants to wait. He likes his tear down stuff. It's exciting to him. It's exciting to me. Alright guys, so I got the cylinder heads off, and these assholes showed up. What's up? Bekr, Joe, my dad. We got the heads off. I waited for Joe to get here because, like I said, he was complaining about it. Well, I'm gonna wait. But anyways, we were looking at them. There's still cross hatching in the cylinders. Pistons are dirty. It's all gunky.
There's no lip.
But there's no lip.
And went close to 200,000.
It looks good. Yeah, right around there. I don't remember.
Yeah, 200K, I would say.
175 to 200K. The cylinder heads are super clean. Look nice. They're down there. But I think that's all we're gonna do with this thing right now. We got the heads off of it. Still has oil in it. I don't know where I did my oil drain pan. Somewhere under the Nova. So I think I'm gonna push this aside, and then we're gonna start putting the rings and stuff on my dad's engine. Check for clearance first, and get that going.
Have your clearance to fucking block.
Do some bullshitting with these guys while we're working on it. Oh yeah, wait, hang on. Fox Body Joe brought his Fox Body. You can get a far away shot of it. There it is.
Stay far away.
No, with the Cobra reps on it. Still 4-lug. Maybe someday it'll go get the 5-lug conversion. But his brother Steve, at Mount Angel Auto Body, did a blend of the whole top and everything. You guys seen last time it was on the channel. It was all down to bare metal from the lid to the top, the A pillar, the B pillar. But it looks 100 times better.
Yeah, we laid up the different seats too.
Oh yeah, he got different seats. He still hasn't done the pod, the gauge pod, but it's got the new seats in it now, so he doesn't have the Fox Body lean.
Yeah.
It's looking all fresh, all clean. Little steps, baby steps, little things at a time. It's getting there.
One day young grasshopper will blossom. One day young grasshopper.
But yeah, anyway, so hopefully, I think he's supposed to go put the gauge pod in. He was supposed to do yesterday, but he didn't.
Nope.
He'll eventually get around to it.
Yeah. It's cold outside.
Yeah, it's
What's
cold
that?
outside. It's nice actually. It's a little windy, but yeah, right. But yeah, anyways, it's nice seeing these assholes. Bekr didn't bring his TVSS. They just cruise over in the Mustang. So.
Water, oil pressure,
There's that.
so far. Because there's no boost on this thing.
Is it gonna get?
But with that,
Yeah.
we're gonna go start working on my dad's
It'll be a
engine.
supercharger, I think, or that on 3.